Hello friends, welcome you all on your PD education. So friends, as all of you know that daily we will bring a notification for all of you regarding the technical field, and today the notification is from Himachal Pradesh Public Service Commission for the vacancies of assistant engineer. And here you can see the last date. Closing date is 25/6/2021 and closing date for fees is 25/6/2021, and this notification is out on 29/5/2021. And these vacancies are basically for civil engineers and mechanical engineers. For other branch students can leave the video here only. And if you have new on your PD education, then please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon for daily notification update. So let's discuss about this. So here you can see, first of all, the number of vacancies for mechanical, okay, MPP and power HP assistant engineer executive trainee mechanical, number of vacancies are 6, and pay grade is very good, okay, gazetted post I think it is, and full time degree in mechanical engineering required, and MTech mechanical भी apply कर सकते हैं, post graduation diploma in hydropower plant engineering from recognized university. So with minimum 55% marks in case of SC ST, in case of general internal HPPC CL candidate, and 60% marks in case of other category. Okay, so this is about this, and desirable qualification is also there, and age limit is given here, you can see, from 80 to 13, and the candidate determining the eligibility criteria in terms of essential qualification and experience. Okay, and if any shall be closing date of submission, तो जो भी requirement है closing date of submission से पहले आपका होना चाहिए. Now here you can see the candidate the required for requirement to the post to be filled up on the basis of experience. It will necessary to candidate to have required experience for determining his or her eligibility after acquiring the requested qualification, essential education qualification as per notified provision. Okay, so how to apply is given here, for detail, and application fees is here. So I am just making it in very short, we can say, and selection is basically on the basis of screening test or personality test, and this is all about this test is given, syllabus is also given here, you can see this is the syllabus. 80 question multiple choice from BTech mechanical, 10 question general knowledge of Himachal Pradesh, and 10 question of national and international affairs. Okay, so here you can see the different reservation criteria are given and general instructions, so you can just go through this. Okay, and similarly this notification is for civil, okay, for same instruction, same this, but number of vacancies are here quite large, I can say 26 vacancies. So here again the qualification is basically civil में आपको required है, बाकी सब सेम है नोटिफिकेशन. तो इसका नोटिफिकेशन का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, वहाँ पे जाके यू कैन चेक, एंड आई हैव जस्ट डिस्कस्ड इन वेरी ब्रीफ. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच.